20 years of thermal paper manufacturing and export professionalism. We're aiming for the stars with our exports, planning to spread our wings across the globe.
Exploring our range of products. Paper roll. Thermal fax, plan printing, tracing paper and postal core. Label. Ticketing. Computer form. Inkjet photo paper. Medical products.
Milestones and achievements. Founded in 1989, TELE-PAPER Malaysia is currently one of the largest thermal products manufacturers in Asia. To learn more about our products, visit our website at www.telepaper.com.